Yadvara Institute of Hoshiarpur. It's a regional college, engineering college of Hoshiarpur. Besides of this, I am also being involved in the research field. So I am a research scholar, currently enrolled in Lovely Professional University, and my working domain is to work on intrusion detection. It is a domain in network and security where I am trying to find out the different types of complexity analysis within the networking system. My mentor is Dr. Pavan Kumar and Dr. Harpreet Kaur, and my guide was from my home country Bangladesh, Mr. Golam Rabbany. So he is basically helping me to how to understand the different concepts related to this topic, and also I am being involved in getting the knowledge on different types of papers where I am finding the accuracy, the complexity findings level. Also, if we specify any specific thing, that is basically to find out the mean square error, the type 1 error, the type 2 error, and also find out the AOC ROC curve, where I can tell that these types of error has been occurred within the analysis of intrusion attack, that means the anomaly or malware attack. That is the main thing. My based on this, I am trying to get the information from my mentor, Mr. Golam Rabbany. He is helping me a lot for making my proposal, making my objective, making my methodology, and why I have decided to take part in this, because the contribution of deep learning in the recent technology is being increasing. It is being increasing day by day. That's why I have been decided to work on here and to publish my thesis, all the papers within this paper. So thank you so much. That's the basic description that what I am currently doing. So thank you.